Hey everyone, today we're diving into the OptiFuel fuel saver to find out if it's a legit product that can save you money on gas or is it just another scam. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research from the official site and user feedback. First, let's take a look what OptiFuel claims. According to their website, this device plugs into your car's OBD2 port and optimizes your ECU systems to improve gas mileage and boost engine performance. They advertise big savings on fuel costs and better driving efficiency. Sounds pretty appealing, right? But here's a catch. There are no solid deals or there are no details about who actually makes the OptiFuel saver. The company behind it, OptiFuel, is basically anonymous online with zero transparency. That's a major red flag. Also, the website is full of glowing customer reviews that look suspicious, likely fake, since the product is pretty new and has no verifiable track record. There's no real explanation of how the record or the technology works either. They just throw around vague terms like optimization without explaining the science behind it. Now, you know about OBD devices. They're great for monitoring your car's health and data, but there's zero proof that just plugging in something can magically increase your miles per gallon. Real OBD2 tools help you drive smarter, but they don't physically improve fuel efficiency on their own. Plus, the site uses typical sales tricks like steep discounts and limited time offers to rush you into buying without thinking. So, for the final verdict, fuel saver looks like a classic scam with no credible manufacturer, fake reviews, and no proof of real fuel saving tech. I wouldn't recommend spending your money on this product. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews.